Guys, in this video we will see how to fix the application pop-up error event ID 56 ACPI 5 on Windows 11 and Windows 10. If you are also facing such type of error code, then here are the fixes, and the first workaround is uninstall recently installed Windows update. Right click on start button and choose settings. Here from the left side go to Windows update. Thereafter go to right side and here scroll down and click on update history. Here scroll down and at the bottom of the page you will find the option uninstall updates. Click on it and find out recently installed Windows update. Click on uninstall and follow on screen instruction to complete the uninstallation process and check whether your error message event ID error message is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. The next one is right click on a start button and choose device manager. Device manager window will now open. Here expand display adapter section and right click on your display adapter driver and choose update driver. How do you want to search for drivers? Choose search automatically for drivers. Close the windows and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Go to Windows search and type CMD and open command prompt windows. Run as administrator mode. A pop-up window will appear. Choose yes and in command prompt windows execute the command as shown on a screen. These three DISM tool one by one. DISM online cleanup image scan health, DISM online cleanup image check health, and DISM online cleanup image restore health. Execute all these three commands one by one, followed by enter key on each time in command prompt windows, and thereafter execute the command sfc scan now. sfc/scan now and press enter. It will scan your system for any corrupted or bad system files and repair them accordingly. Wait till 100% verification complete. After that, don't forget to restart your system and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Disable unused audio devices. If you have audio devices which is not in used, then disable it. Right click on a start button and choose device manager. Here go to audio inputs and outputs, expand it, and unused audio devices, simply right click on it and choose disable device and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. The next one is go to Windows search and type system configuration. Click on it, open system configuration, and here from the top menu bar go to the option services. Click on it and make the check against option hide all Microsoft services from the bottom left corner and choose disable all from the bottom right corner. Thereafter go to the top menu bar and choose the option startup and click on the link open task manager, and here look for the any startup apps enabled in your system. Find out enabled startup apps in your system, scroll down, and if any startup apps found enabled in your system, simply right click on it and choose disable. So manually disable all your startup apps enabled in your system. Apply this process for all your other enabled startup apps and thereafter close the windows and click on apply and OK to save the changes and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. The one more workaround is system restore. Open control panel in your system. Here click on recovery option and on the next page choose open system restore. restore system files and settings page will now open. Here, system restore can help fix problems that might be making your computer run slowly or stop responding. Click on next, and here choose a system restore point, either automatic restore point or Windows update. If you fail after Windows update, your problem arises, then choose Windows update, otherwise automatic restore point, and click on next. And finally, confirm your restore point, choose finish, and follow on screen instruction to complete the restoration process.